In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Framer templates. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, starting in your browser and ending with a template ready for you to customize in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a template you like and start using it for free. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type Framer templates and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results related to the Framer template marketplace. You're looking for the official Framer templates page, which is usually one of the first results and clearly mentions Framer templates or the Framer marketplace. Once you're on the Framer templates page, look for an option that says something like all template categories. This section helps you browse the full range of templates available, instead of just a few featured ones. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page where templates are grouped by categories such as landing pages, portfolios, blogs, and more. From here, take a moment to think about what you're building. Are you creating a landing page for a product, a personal portfolio, or maybe a simple marketing site? Use that goal to guide which category you select. Click on the category that best fits your project. This will filter the templates so you only see designs that are tailored to that type of website. After choosing a category, scroll through the available templates. Each template will usually show a thumbnail preview, a name, and sometimes tags or short descriptions. When something catches your eye, click on that specific template. This opens the templates detail page where you can see more images, read a description, and sometimes view a live demo to get a better feel for how it looks and behaves. On the templates page, look for a button that says use for free, or a similar phrase. This is the key action that adds the template to your Framer account. Click that button. If you're not already signed in, Framer may prompt you to log in or create an account. Once that's done, the template will be copied into your workspace, ready for you to edit, customize, and publish. And that's it. You've just learned how to find Framer templates, choose the right category, preview a design, and use a template for free inside Framer.